First, it's a good run, no, for us for this team to get a good start 5-0. Pero during practices, we just discuss yung one game at a time. So playing against an independent team like OneVerge, sinasabi na namin sa practice na if we beat this team, there's a good chance na we can beat yung second game namin this week against Phoenix. So last week, that's how we set yung mindset namin na if we beat yung Magnolia, we can beat a big team like Tongatex. So naging positive na rin yung results sa ganun na challenge. So yun, hopefully we can finish this week with a big win against next game against Phoenix.